Hi friends, today we are learning prefixes and suffixes. Class 12, page 7. Unit 1. What is a prefix? A prefix is a letter or a group of letters which is added to the beginning of a root word in order to modify it. Usually the new word formed is the opposite of the given word. Example, inaudible. The word inaudible is formed by adding the prefix in to the root or base word audible. What is a suffix? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a root word. By adding suffixes, the grammatical function of the word changes. Example, constantly. Here the suffix ly is added to the root word constant. Derivatives. What is derivatives? Derivatives are words that are derived or formed from the base word by adding prefixes or suffixes. Derivatives are words that are derived or formed from the base word by adding prefixes and suffixes. Example, honest, dishonest, honesty. Honesty is the root word. We formed words by adding prefixes and suffixes. Dishonest, honest, honesty. Read the list of words formed by adding suffixes. Page 7. Exercise D. Read the list of words formed by adding suffixes. 6 words are given. Frequently, satisfaction, willingness, comfortable, resemblance, nobility. So the instruction is read the list of words formed by adding suffixes. Frequently is the word, ly is the suffix. Satisfaction is the word, tion, shun is the suffix. Willingness is the word, ness, ness is the suffix. Comfortable is the word, able, able is the word, suffix. Resemblance is the word, ance, is the suffix. Nobility is the word, ty is the suffix. So for each word extra two suffixes, two words are given. Extra two words are added. Students can also form new words, add new words. Frequently, suddenly, easily. Satisfaction, attraction, examination. Willingness, darkness, goodness. Comfortable, capable, preferable. Resemblance, acceptance, guidance. So resemblance is the word, ANC is the suffix. So acceptance is the word, ANC is the suffix. Guidance is the word, ANC is the suffix. Nobility, responsibility, connectivity. Exercise. Next exercise, page 7. Form two derivatives from each of the following words by adding prefixes and suffixes. So words that are derived are formed from the base word by adding prefixes and suffixes are called derivatives. So patient is the root word. We form derivatives of patient by adding suffixes or prefixes to the root word patient. First example is given. Patient. Patient is the word. Im is the prefix. So derivatives of patient, impatient, patiently. So impatient is the word. Im is the prefix. Patiently is the word. Ly is the suffix. Impatient is antonym of the word, antonym for the word patient. Patiently is adverb, patient is verb. So suffix is suffix changes the grammatical function of the root word. The root word is verb and the suffix is adverb. Prefix is antonym of the word patient. Derivatives of honor, dishonor, honorable. Dishonor is the word, this is prefix. Honorable is the word, able is the suffix. Honor is verb, honorable is adjective. Dishonor is the antonym of honor. So derivatives of honor, dishonor, honorable. Derivatives of respect, disrespect, respectable. Disrespect is the word, dis is prefix. Respectable is the word, able is the suffix. So prefix we add letter or spelling before the root word or base form of the base word. Suffix is letter or group of letters we add after the root word or base word. Disrespect is the opposite of the word respect. Respectable is adjective. Respect is verb. Respectable is adjective. Derivatives of the word manage is mismanage, management. Mismanage is the word, miss is prefix. Management is the word, mend, M-E-N-D is the suffix. Mismanage is the opposite of the word manage. Manage is verb, management is noun. So grammatical function changes. Prefix is the antonym of the word manage. And when we add a suffix, grammatical function changes. So manage is verb, management is noun. Derivatives of the word fertile is infertile, fertility. Infertile is the word, in is prefix. Fertility is the word, ity is the suffix. Derivatives of the word Different is indifferent, differently. Derivatives of the word friend is unfriendly, friendly, unfriendly. Friendly. Friendly is the suffix. Derivatives of the word obey is disobey, obedience, obediently. That's it with me. Thank you, students.